In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your X.com or Twitter username in just a few seconds. This is one of the simplest things to check, but if you're new to the platform, it can still be a little confusing because your display name and your username are not the same thing. Your username is the unique handle people use to mention you, tag you, and find your profile on X. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. To begin, open X and make sure you're signed into the account you want to check. Once you're on the home page, look for your profile icon. On mobile, this may appear as your profile picture. On desktop, you can also use the Profile tab in the left-hand navigation menu. Go ahead and click on that profile area to open your profile page. Now, here's the key part. Once your profile loads, look directly below your display name. Your username will be shown right there, and it will always start with the @ symbol. For example, if you see something like @example_user, that full text is your username. Your display name may be a real name, a brand name, or anything you chose, but the username is the unique handle that appears after the @ symbol. If you want to copy it, just highlight it and save it somewhere, especially if you need it for linking accounts, sharing your profile, or logging into third-party tools. If you ever need to tell someone how to find you on X, this is the exact name they'll need. Another quick tip is that your username can usually be found on your profile URL as well, but the fastest method is still checking directly under your display name on your profile page. If you're using a brand account or a personal account, the process is exactly the same. Just open your profile, look under your name, and you'll see your @username instantly. So to recap, click your profile icon or the profile tab, then check directly below your display name to find the username starting with @. That's it, super quick and easy. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy X and Twitter how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.